Cash Giraffe currently lists active players at 5 or more hours per week as capable of earning $30 to $100 or more per month, while casual players at 2 to 3 hours per week are listed at $5 to $20 per month. Cash Giraffe konandit sone. So after 30 days, the real question isn't whether Cash Giraffe pays. It does offer PayPal cash and gift cards, with the current minimum cash out listed at $0.20. The question is whether the time you spend playing is worth the reward. Cash Giraffe 1D. Here's how the system works. Cash Giraffe gives you games to play and rewards you with gems based on active gameplay and in-game milestones. You can also earn gems through surveys, daily streaks, challenges, and other promotional offers. Cash Giraffe kumone. That means your results can change depending on which games are available to you and which offers you're given. Cash Giraffe's own terms also say the available games, coin amounts, promotions, and exchange rates can change at any time. Cash Giraffe 2. For a 30-day test, track your actual time instead of only watching the balance increase. Record how many hours you play, how many gems you earn, and how much you successfully cash out. The payout side is one of Cash Giraffe's strongest points. The company currently says PayPal payouts can be processed within a few hours, and the minimum cash out is $0.20. Cash Giraffe 3. But there is an important catch. Cash Giraffe's terms don't guarantee a specific earning rate or reward. The exchange rate used for redemption can change, and rewards are only available when they are offered and you have enough coins. Cash Giraffe 2. Current user feedback also shows both sides. Trustpilot reviews include reports of quick payments, but some users report missing rewards, delayed payments, or problems receiving credit for completed games. Trustpilot 4e Team. So, is Cash Giraffe worth it after 30 days? For casual gaming, it can make sense if you're already going to play mobile games and want to turn some of that time into small rewards. It makes less sense if you're treating it like a serious income source. The practical test is simple. Use Cash Giraffe for 30 days, track your hours and cash outs, then calculate your actual earnings per hour. If that number isn't worth your time, stop using it. The key points are simple. Cash Giraffe is free, the current minimum cash out is $0.20, and the company lists $30 to $100 or more per month for active players. Cash Giraffe Kononia. Try the 30-day time and cash out test before deciding whether to keep it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews.